Hi all, welcome back to Creative Rednecking. I'm Chris, and today we are going to be starting seeds using the paper towel method. This is a great method for starting seeds because you will be able to see which ones are coming up and which ones are not. And then we just transplant them for our potting mixture and we're good to go. Let's get to rednecking these seeds. Alright, so what we're going to need for this, obviously, are paper towels. In my case, 2 Ziploc bags, already marked with the seed names on them. And I've had my seeds soaking for about an hour. So to do this, all we're going to do, take our seeds and put them right on the paper towel. So once we have them on the paper towel, we're just kind of push them all to the center so that they're not near the edges. We want to fold our paper towel over, and then we're just going to moisten the paper towel with a little bit of water. It doesn't have to be soaking, we just want our seeds to be moist. We'll take our Ziploc that we already have pre-marked for our seeds. We're going to slide the paper towel with the seeds right into the Ziploc. Seal it up. Put it in a warm, dark place for a few days. And after a few days, you can hold this up to the light and you will be able to see through the paper towel to a point, but you'll be able to see how many seeds you actually have germinating. From there, we just take and transplant them into our potting medium and we're good to grow. Great way to start your seeds, great way to see how many are sprouting, and an easy method that anybody can do. So one last thing, thank you for checking out the channel. I'm always working on new videos, tips, tricks, try to help everyone out. If you like what you saw, found it helpful, bang my chick down here in the corner, like, subscribe, and we'll see you again. Thank you.